Okay, let's make protein powder today for babies and for everybody else also. So I've taken almonds. We are going to roast them on a low flame. We are just roasting them so to release all the moisture so you can grind it and also the shelf life is increased. Same thing with cashews, roasted for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame until they become toasty, nicely toasty. So I'm going to add pistachios and raisins. I'm going to put off the gas stove because my pan is hot enough, and roast it for another 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and crunchy. Make sure the flame is low. It is loaded with nutrients, very good for kids, for adults, for all the ages. It's a healthy protein powder. We're going to cool this down completely before blending it, and to this we're going to add cardamom powder, which is very good for digestion, and dry ginger powder. Dry ginger powder is especially good in the winter season. So after cooling it down, we are going to blend it. When you're blending it, make sure you put it on pulse. Here goes dry ginger powder. Cardamom is very good when you make something with milk. Pulse it because if you blend it, it will release the oil and make it like a butter. We don't want butter, so pulse it for a few seconds and then release it. So we have a nice powder. Store it in an airtight container for 4 weeks. It lasts very nicely. You can use in different ways. I'm taking some milk, adding saffron to this, and the protein powder. You can add this protein powder to milkshakes, milk, any desserts you make for kids or for yourself, um, any pancakes, sweet pancakes. It will increase the nutrition value of the recipe, and kids who are fussy in eating, it provides good nutrients. Those who need help putting on the weight, it's very good. So do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.